Good day, students. I'll be your biology teacher for today, and the topic for today's lesson is population studies. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define population, restate what constitutes population characteristics, discuss which method is more practical for finding out the population size of grasses on the school field, calculate population density, outline 10 simple ecological instruments and the ecological factors they are used for with their functions. Population studies. Population can be defined as individuals of the same species living in the same habitat at the same time. Example, from the above diagram of a pond, there is a population of tadpoles, a population of duck minnows, a population of duckweeds, and a fourth population of tiger fish. When ecologists carry out population studies in a habitat, the following are investigated. 1. Types of organisms. This involves the listing of the various types of populations that are found in the habitat in order to work out the relationships that can possibly exist between the various populations. 2. Dominance. In any community, one or a few species are dominant over the others in numbers, in largest portion of space occupied, in possession of highest biomass, and in contribution of the largest energy flow. These dominant species often exert a great influence on the habitat and the other populations. Population characteristics. This includes population size, population frequency, population density, population distribution, percentage cover, and population growth rate. Population size. It is the total number of individuals in a population of same species in a given area or habitat. Population density. It is the number of individuals per unit area. Mathematically, population density equals population size all over area of habitat. It can be used to estimate the total number of individuals of a population size, the following way. Density times area of habitat equals population size. For example, if a pond has surface area of 100 meters square and a duckweed population of 2,000 plants, the density of its duckweeds will be our formula population size all over area of habitat, which equals 2,000 all over 100 meters squared. Answer equals 20 duckweeds per meter squared. Population distribution. This refers to the way in which individuals of a particular population are arranged in a given habitat. It is the variation in density over a given habitat. Example, if the western half of the pond in our example above contains a quarter of the duckweeds, the density of duckweeds in the western half will be a quarter of 2,000 all over half of 100, which gives us 500 all over 50. Answer equals 10 duckweeds per meter square. Students, find out the density of duckweeds in the eastern half if the eastern half contains 3/4 of duckweeds. Population frequency. This is simply how often the species occur at different sites in its habitat. Percentage cover. This refers to the area or space covered or occupied by a given species in its habitat, and it is expressed in percentage. We'll be back after the short break.